Hi geeks, welcome to College Coders YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to install virtual device in Android Studio. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, we need to open a project. We can do this by two methods, either by open a existing project or creating a new project. I have already opened a project, that is music player. So I click on it. Then we need to go to device manager. As you can see, Medium Phone API 26 virtual device is already installed in my system. So to install a new device, we have to click on plus icon. Then we need to select the category, that may be phone, tablet, a Wear OS, desktop, TV, automotive or legacy. So as we want to install a phone, so we have to select phone. So we have to select the category of the phone, that may be small phone, medium phone or some list of Google phone. As you can see, Pixel 7, 7 Pro and many more. So you can select any device you want to use. So we will select a Pixel 7 Pro phone. So you can see the size is 140 1440 pixels, 312 pixels, size is large, ratio long. So we can click next. So we need to download the Android version for this device. So as you can see, I have already downloaded Oreo. You can click on any other to download it. Say I want to download the Pi, then I need to click on this download icon. Then here you can see Android SDK. So we have to accept the terms and condition, then click next, then we can download it. So I will cancel it as I have already installed Oreo. Then I need to click on, I have to select the Oreo, then click next. It asks for the name, you can change the name. There are two options, startup orientation, that is portrait or landscape. You can select which one you want, then click on finish. As you can see, Pixel 7 Pro API 26 is installed on our Android Studio. This is all about how to install a virtual device on Android Studio. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notifications.